Just isolate. So 8mm. Don't know if there's another one down there. Oh, I think that's it. $10mm. There's a little rubber grommet in there. Make sure that doesn't pop out. 13. It's for the collar. That's off. Gets off. That screw can stay in as long as it stays up like that. Just put that to one side. Removing the fuel primer here at the back. Just 2 clips. Removing the crankshaft header cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 size 8s. we'll give this all a scrape and a clean while I'm here. I'm going to cover this so nothing drops down there. I'm just going to unhinge the air filter. Yeah, a bit of room there. 40mm for a few lines. They come in pairs. It should just be able to push them back a bit. They'll be fine. I'm just going to remove these now with Torx. 27. Right, well that's free. I'll take the throttle body off. Using a 5 Allen key. Just going to disconnect that there. And that. Out of the way. That's separated. These few lines need to pull out. I'll do that. Right, the 2 more size 8s for the manifold. One there and one there. Right, we're going to remove the rubber rings. Most of them will be left in the gasket. I'm going to start by scraping most of the loose stuff off. So I'll scrape it off. With blocks, we'll wash it out, get this clean. So I've picked off what I could with a screwdriver where it was accessible. It's quite a bit. We'll go on to the next stage. I'm just going to cover these 2 up, seal them, pour some hot bright here and fill it with hot water and leave it till it cools down. Put a fairy in there as well, good degreaser, and some Magnum. They're looking pretty bad, especially the back ones. Look at that, whoa. Time to ship away and get the Evo out. That's all there, all cleaned up. Not perfect, but a lot better than they were. These two were really tight like this, and that's probably why there was a wobble on the engine. We'll find out once I torque it all up, put it back together and get the engine running.